How often do you get that? And if every council did this, they've blacked out the white lines. Parking bay, motorhome. They've marked out that many. One in the corner there, 1, 2, there's 3 parking bays there. There's 1 parking bay here, 1 there. And they charge £5 all night. And it stipulates on the signs that you're not allowed to sleep in vehicles except motorhomes and campers. It's £2.30 all day, 9 hours parking. I've just put money in now. And then at 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. that's how long that daytime, which is £2.30. And then at 6 p.m. you got to get a ticket for a motorhome, which is a £5, and you could stop then until 9 a.m. the following morning. Whereas, and it's a 72-hour period. You can only stop for a 72-hour period. It also says that you're only allowed to stop 23 hours a day. So you're supposed to pull off for an hour. So that's all I can make out, unless you're motorhome, I think. But this is Settle. Little Will's just there next to the thing. And because he is sleeping in the vehicle, he still paid the £5 just rather than take a chance. Because he is sleeping in the vehicle, and it stipulates no sleeping in vehicles except for motorhomes. Well, he's classed as a motorhome at the moment. So yeah, it was quiet. There is a rugby club there next door, and they have got a rally on at the moment. But I did ask about going on there, and they said no, it's closed to club, so that's okay. But I've just counted. There's 15 campers and motorhomes on here at a £5 a night. That's for a car park that isn't being used at night time, they've got another income, haven't they? If only they'd all did this. Okay, each motorhome bay takes up 4 parking bays. That used to be here. There's the black line there. They've covered it up. It is clearly marked on the in the green paint that it's motorhomes only. So yeah, it's all right. And we had a bit of fun in town yesterday. Didn't film anything, obviously. Me and Will went in the pub, and we did only have half each. Okay, I lied. We had a pint each, but we also had a big meal. We had just had a pint in there, and then we walked down towards the garage, and there was a chip shop there, so we went in and sat down and had pie and chips, and Will had chicken nuggets and chips, kiddie meal. So, but yeah, I am on a bit of a lean, but that doesn't worry me. It's lean in the right way. My head's the highest, so yeah, right. I just woke Will up because I've run out of gas, and he's gonna, when he gets up, where he's gonna drive us down. I'll get the gas bottle out now, and we're gonna go and get a bottle of gas. Bloody £50 a time for a 15 kg. Usually one will last me all season, but I've drank an awful lot of tea since March. I've been out since March, beginning of March, so that's an awful lot of tea. It's an awful lot of gas, and I've been having a lot of beans on toast and things like that, just to use the bread up. But there, that's the only thing is because I'm on the end, you get the cars going through. I did hear them last night. Oh, Will's got a neighbour. Right, catch you in a while. What we doing, Will?
Getting gas.
Getting gas. Hang on. We turn the microphone around. That's it. Now everybody can hear.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and get gas, Will.
Gonna go get gas.
Who for? Oh, That's not that you can see it with all the junk in here. You know, there is a bin there, and he's been here all day. Right, turn left, go back out through the gates.
Okay. Don't I need the sat nav?
No, it's only just down the road.
Okay.
It's too far to carry the bottle, like.
Let's go.
Don't run her over.
Don't need that.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 this side. 1 that side. 15 I counted in the end. Oh.
Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride.
You can't go too rough because my gas bottle will fall over.
Yeah. Good
Right.
precious cargo.
Yeah. Yeah, down there.
Down this way.
Yeah. Okay, this way.
Okay.
Catch you in a minute, people.
Catch you then.
Yeah. Because I'm having a heart attack. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still at Settle. We're just about to leave here now, actually. And we've found this, as you see, this main Settle car park was £5 from 6 p.m. till 9 a.m. and then it was £2.30 for 9-hour parking during the day. But when we went for a walkabout around Settle, we came across this sports and social club, and we called in for a pint, and as you can see, they got campers in. Little Will's just tucked in there, and I'm tucked in here, and it's only £6 a night. And the difference is all the pubs are around about the £5 a pint mark, £4.50 to £5 a pint, right? This place is £3.20. So we decided that we will move over here, and we stopped last night. We will definitely come again. I mean, I went in there last night. Little Will collapsed. We had a fair thunderstorm yesterday, and he was absolutely knackered. We went out for lunch, and he couldn't take it anymore. He had a sniff of the barman's apron again, and so when we got back, it was lucky because as we got back, so it started to rain. He got into bed. I haven't seen him since, but I had a snooze on the sofa, and then I went in there and had a good chat to the landlord, and he's let me use the bins. You can use the toilets and that when they're open. The toilets in the car park at the rear are no longer open. There is signs on there telling you where to go to get toilets. I think it's in the bottom car park. But the parking is very expensive here. They charge for parking in here, obviously, because they got a main car park there. So if it was free, everybody in that car park would be in here. So they do charge for day parking, as you can see. Well, we only paid £6 for an overnight, and he says it don't matter what time we leave, you know, any time today, as long as we're sort of gone by 10 o'clock tonight when they are looking to shut the shop. But this backs onto the one of the main central car parks. I've parked in here before with Keith and Darryl Campervan Tales a long time ago. But anyway, it's got two entrances. This is a walk-in entrance, and there's obviously the double gates down the far end. But yeah, it was real tidy in there. Clean glass every time you ordered. You could see how much rain we had last night. This was all flooded last night. But it's now 11 o'clock, and it's all dried out nearly. Except for underneath my van and round the back of my van. Yeah, so this is one of the good park ups that I've found, and I definitely will come back here. If I'm up this way again, I will definitely book in on this one. It's on Google Maps. It's not on Park for Nights, so I'll put the what 3 words of where it is. I'll put the what 3 words of the Settle car park which I say that's £7.30 for a 24-hour period. But it also says on there, I think this is where they get you with the council car parks, it says you could park all day for £2.30, and you could park all night for £6, £5. But then it says for every 23-hour period. Well, if you've paid for 9 hours, 24 hours, then have you got to go and come back again? And I think that's the catch one they got you on. You know, you have to. It says in the small print about the 23-hour period. You have to leave and come back, I think, for an hour. But we didn't, and we had a couple of nights on there before we found this place. But anyway, I've packed up, ready to go, and Will isn't answering his phone, and he ain't up yet. So I think it's time to give him a rattle on the door. Alright, that's all for this booking, this video. It is only going to be a short video, just to cover these two park-ups. We have had good time here, fair dues, we have had a good time here. There's a bloody great big seagull sat up there staring at me. It's because I swept the van out and threw all the crumbs out, and I think he's waiting to pick them up. They're down there, swept the van out. But this is the only thing I found is there's this very fine gravel where the tarmac's broken up, and as you can see, it sticks to my feet, and I've been traipsing it in all the time, and you know, I had to sweep it out, because when I take my shoes off at night time, and because I've been wearing no socks, right, through everybody giving me jip, so every time I walked in there I was getting bloody gravel stuck to the bottom of my feet. Right, leave this video, catch you on the next one.